Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to naturalhub. Today, we're delving into the intriguing world of olive oil. Is it just a delicious addition to our dishes? Or does it hold the key to unlocking a myriad of health benefits? Stick around as we unravel the truth about this liquid gold. The heart-healthy hero. Let's kick things off with the heart-healthy wonders of olive oil. Packed with monounsaturated fats, it not only lowers bad cholesterol, but also promotes cardiovascular health. The antioxidants it contains act as guardians against inflammation, reducing the risk of heart disease and contributing to an overall healthier heart. A fountain of antioxidants. Olive oil isn't just a tasty addition to your meals. It's also a powerhouse of antioxidants. These compounds play a crucial role in combating oxidative stress, supporting your body's defense against chronic diseases, and even promoting skin health. It's like a natural elixir for your well-being. Managing blood sugar levels. Here's a surprising benefit. Olive oil may help regulate blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that incorporating olive oil into your diet can contribute to better blood sugar control, making it an excellent choice for individuals managing diabetes or those looking to maintain stable energy throughout the day. Brain-boosting benefits. But wait, there's more. Olive oil may also be a friend to your brain. Rich in polyphenols, it has been linked to cognitive function and a reduced risk of age-related cognitive decline. It's like fuel for your brain cells, helping you stay sharp and focused. Making informed choices. As we navigate the health benefits of olive oil, it's clear that this kitchen staple has a lot to offer. From promoting heart health to supporting brain function, it's a versatile addition to your diet. Remember, the key is moderation and choosing the right type for your needs. Stay tuned as we consult experts for their insights on maximizing the health benefits of olive oil in your daily life. As we conclude today's exploration into the health secrets of olive oil, it's evident that this culinary gem can elevate not just your taste buds, but also your overall well-being. Share your thoughts on olive oil in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this information helpful. Subscribe for more content on nutrition, wellness, and the joy of good food.